Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making creamy jalapeno salsa. We have 300 grams of jalapenos or about 10 jalapenos depending on the size. We want to wash and destem them. Then we put in a pot of water and boil for about 12 minutes. When they are boiling, we cut our lime and get 1 teaspoon juice from it. Then we peel and chop our garlic. We need 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support. When the jalapenos are done, remove from heat and put them in the blender. Then put about 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, and blend it. Then pour 3/4 cup oil slowly. I like my salsa with a little more heat, so I usually use half cup plus 1/8 cup of oil. Blend until smooth and put in a container and save in the fridge. This salsa tastes better the next day. This salsa goes well with tacos, roast chicken, barbecues, even as a salad dressing. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.